across to Ayodhya, to the idol of Ram Lalla, and this is a very, very historic moment of the Surya Tilak. My colleague Manish is on the broadcast with us. Manish, this is a very, very important, religiously very important moment, and for exactly 4 minutes is when the sun rays are going to fall on the forehead of the Ram Lalla idol. Take us through the significance of it. Manish? Okay, all right. Let me take this across to Pradeep Datta. Pradeep Datta, these 4 minutes are very important. This is, of course, the birth timing of Lord Ram as well. And now what we're seeing on the screens is that 4 minutes where the Surya Tilak is successfully being performed at the Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir in Ayodhya.
Yes, this is very important, religiously very significant, because it's not only that Surya Kiran are falling on the forehead of Ram Lalla, it's called basically it's the Surya Tilak. Or Surya Abhishek also it is referred to as a ritual, making a ray of sunlight fall on the idol's forehead, symbolizing the blessings of the sun god. Because at the end of the day, sun god is directly connected with life, and it is because of the sun you can find life everywhere. So when the Surya Abhishek is taking place or Surya Tilak is there, it is lending life and prosperity. So that is what actually these 4 minutes are really very important. And here on this occasion you can see a special Surya Tilak ceremony takes place in Ayodhya Ram temple, where sun rays are directed onto the forehead of Ram Lalla idol using a system of mirrors and lenses, marking the deity's forehead with sunlight. So that means it is the beginning of one, it's the beginning of life, it's about the prosperity, and it is about, because when we talk about sunlight, it's all about cleanliness also. That's really very important, because it's going to clean all those bad ideas and thoughts what we are carrying in your hearts and mind, and that will also be cleansed. So it has got the cleansing property also. So that way it's a very important ceremony, a special ceremony, and that is being performed in the temple. And you can see with zeal and fervor, large number of devotees have already turned up on this Ram Navami occasion from different parts of India. They are here and they are part of this ceremony, because when you are there yourself at Ram Lalla, seeing that how this Surya Tilak is being performed, you can yourself understand what these devotees right now must be going through. So that way it's a really very significant and a very important day, and you can see there's hardly a space for people to be there, because people from large number, this presence of large number of devotees here, it indicates that it is not only going to, it's not only about the religious function, but it's also going to give fillip to the economy of this region, because more and more footprints of the people here coming on this occasion. But basically, if we talk about the Ram Navami, it has got the religious influence, and especially these 4 minutes really make the difference. And you can see from the faces of the devotees who are present there, kind of a spiritual journey they are right now going through, because this 4 minutes is taking them towards a spiritual journey when the sunlight will be falling on the forehead of Ram Lalla, and this Surya Abhishek is taking place, or the Surya Tilak also they call it. And when the Surya Tilak takes place, it's all about the cleansing property, it's all about prosperity, it's all about new life, and it's all about rejuvenation. So that's why this is one of the reasons that people from different walks of life, from different parts of the country, they have gathered here, converged here at Ayodhya to be witness to this Surya Tilak that is going on. And you can see the zeal and fervor also, because it's on this day we can see that not only this Surya Tilak, but then on Ram Navami there is also a Kanjak Pujan also there, because where an importance is given to the girl child, and because for Hindus, the girl is like a Devi, so they are praying for the prosperity, and they are just performing the puja of the Devi also. So you must have seen that 5 of the girls in every household, they are made to come, they wash their feet, and then they perform puja also. And here at Ayodhya you can see that how this right now the Surya Tilak taking place. So that way it's a really very important and a significant thing that's going on here in Ayodhya temple.
Very beautifully explained, Pradeep. You spoke about how the Surya Tilak represents a very deep cultural and spiritual symbolism as well. These moments,
भानु जो हैं वो पृथ्वी पर आज उसी तरह की एक दृश्य दिखाने की कोशिश है कि कैसे जब प्रभु श्री राम का अवतार हुआ था, वो जन्मे थे, तो उस वक्त भानु भास्कर आए और उन्होंने सूर्य तिलक किया सूर्यवंशी प्रभु श्री राम का। और उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि जो पूरी परंपरा रही है, जिस तरीके से जन्मोत्सव को मनाया जाता है, उस परंपरा के अनुसार जन्मोत्सव के कार्यक्रम को 4 मिनट तक ये सूर्य तिलक के बाद अब
So, all right, as we were saying, this is spiritually very significant, because this is the moment when the sun rays fall on the forehead of Ram Lalla idol. So, blessings from sun god. Pradeep, as you were pointing out, it's a ray of sunlight which is very carefully directed through a system of mirrors and lenses. But the significance of it is that it illuminates the forehead of Ram Lalla's idol, which forms a very glowing tilak. Manish is also live with us. Manish, this is a very, very divine moment that we are seeing on the screens.
देखिए, बिल्कुल आज सूर्य अभिषेक किया गया, ललाट पे प्रभु श्री राम के सूर्य की किरणें पड़ी, सूर्याभिषेक हुआ। उससे पहले प्रभु श्री राम की मूर्ति का अभिषेक हुआ था, उन्हें जो पीतांबर वस्त्र हैं वो पहनाए गए थे। पूरा जो मंदिर की आभा है इस बार बहुत अनूठी दिख रही थी, क्योंकि मंदिर का अधिकांश हिस्सा बनकर तैयार हो गया है और बहुत जल्द जो ट्रस्ट के पदाधिकारी मानकर चल रहे हैं कि पूरा मंदिर बनकर तैयार हो जाएगा। तो ऐसे में श्रद्धालु जो वहां पहुंच रहे हैं दर्शन करने प्रभु श्री राम के, और वो भी खास मौके पर, खास उत्सव के समय जब श्री राम का जन्मोत्सव कार्यक्रम मनाया जा रहा है, तो उनके अंदर न केवल अकाट्य आस्था देखने को मिल रही है, बल्कि आज के दिन जो आशीर्वाद मिलेगा वो भी दिव्य होगा, ऐसा वो मानकर चल रहे हैं। और बड़ी संख्या में, लाखों की संख्या में आज श्रद्धालु अयोध्या पहुंचे हुए हैं। कतारें जो भक्ति पथ है उस पर आपको साफ नजर आएंगी, राम पथ पर दिखाई दे रही हैं कि कितनी बड़ी संख्या में, कितनी बड़ी तादाद में लोग वहां दर्शन करने को पहुंच रहे हैं। बगल में जो हनुमानगढ़ी का मंदिर है वहां पर 2 किलोमीटर लंबी कतारें लगी हुई है प्रभु श्री राम के भक्त हनुमान जी के दर्शन करने के लिए। तो भक्तों के अंदर जो उत्सव सरीखा माहौल है वो भक्तिपथ रामपथ पर नजर आ रहा है। इसके साथ ही प्रशासन भी अपनी ओर से चिंतित है। प्रशासन ने भक्तों की सुविधाओं का ख्याल रखा है। सूर्याभिषेक जो हुआ है, जो प्रभु श्री राम के ललाट पर जो सूर्य की किरणें पड़ी हैं और एक तिलक के रूप में वहां पर उनकी आभा जो देखने को मिली है, उसका लाइव प्रसारण भी यूट्यूब पर किया गया। अलग अलग स्क्रीन लगाकर वो भी जो श्रद्धालु आए हैं उनके देखने की व्यवस्था उस वक्त की गई है। इसके साथ ही लोगों को कोई दिक्कत ना हो, तो अंदर पानी की व्यवस्था से लेकर बाहर पैरों में कोई दिक्कत ना हो उसके लिए मैट बिछाया गया है। सुरक्षा का खास तौर पर इंतजाम किए गए हैं। पुलिस बल बढ़ाया गया है। पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस पूरे मार्ग पर तैनात है। हर एंट्री पॉइंट पर तैनात है। जो मंदिर में श्रद्धालुओं को एंट्री जिस गेट से कराई जा रही है उसके विपरीत बिरला ऑडिटोरियम के जो सामने दूसरा गेट है वहां से उनका प्रस्थान कराया जा रहा है। लोगों की भीड़ एक जगह पर रुकने न पाए जिससे कोई दिक्कत हो, इसका भी खास ध्यान रखा गया है। ड्रोन से न केवल निगरानी की जा रही है बल्कि ड्रोन का प्रयोग सरयू जल के छिड़काव के रूप में श्रद्धालुओं पर किया जा रहा है। तो ये भी एक अनूठा अनुभव यहां से हर राम भक्त लेकर जा रहा है कि सरयू तक अगर वो नहीं पहुंच पा रहा बैरिकेटिंग के चलते, तो ड्रोन के जरिए उन पर जलों का छिड़काव किया जा रहा है। तो सरयू से राम का जो नाता है उसका अनुभव भी उन श्रद्धालुओं को होगा। तो अपनी ओर से प्रशासन के इंतजाम पूरे हैं। पुलिस प्रशासन ने सुरक्षा के बंदोबस्त पूरे किए हैं और मंदिर प्रशासन ने भक्तों के दर्शन में कोई दिक्कत ना आए इसके इंतजाम पूरे किए हैं। तो ये तस्वीर इस पूरे जन्मोत्सव कार्यक्रम की अनूठी है। शाम को दीपोत्सव की व्यवस्था की गई है। लगभग 1.5 से 2 लाख दीपक राम मंदिर परिसर में जलाए जाएंगे, ऐसी जानकारी भी मिली है।
Okay, today being Ram Navami, it's a special day as well. I request you to stay with us. Rahul Ishwar is also on the broadcast with us. Rahul Ishwar, tell us the significance of this Surya Tilak on Ram Navami.
First of all, Jai Sri Ram and Ram Navami pranams to all. It's a great, auspicious, spiritual occasion. As we all know, Prabhu Sri Ram is the 7th incarnation of Lord Mahavishnu, and Sri Ram is one of the most spiritually significant figures and culturally significant figures in the largest Hindu majority India to the largest Muslim majority Indonesia. Sri Ram is celebrated across Asian continent, and Sri Rama and all the symbols associated with Ramayana have been celebrated across the various nations. Let me humbly point out that even Indonesia has Garuda Indonesia, and Indonesia's most important hotel chain, one of the hotel chains is Hotel Ramayana. So Ram is a very inclusive, spiritual, celebratory figure. That's the reason why Mahatma Gandhi said we need India as Rama Rajya. People like Allama Muhammad Iqbal used to call Ram Imam-e-Hind, or the spiritual leader of India, which was pointed out by RSS Sarsanchalak Pujaniya Mohan Bhagwat ji. So Sri Ram is the icon of virtues in India. We call him Maryada Purushottam. Sri Ram is the Maryada Purushottam who symbolizes valor, values, family values, sacrifice, and this is the greatness of Sri Ram. And let me also point out, Ayodhya is a place where there is no yuddha, or it's a space of peace. And Sri Rama was ready to sacrifice, him being the king, for the larger sake of his family and of dharma, and in order to uphold his father's words, he was ready to go in exile for 14 years. Just imagine, and contrast it with the kings of some India where they were ready to kill their father and jail their father to become kings. Sri Rama was ready to go for almost 14-year-old Vanvas, and Sri Ram is the icon of virtue, the Maryada Purushottam, Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. That means Rama is the Vigraha, icon or the idol of Dharma. So it's a great auspicious occasion. My humble pranams to all those people who celebrate. And just one last line, from Ayodhya or from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we can see symbols and dharmas of Rama. That's the reason why I'm from south. In Rameshwaram, the southernmost tip point is Rameshwaram. So I'm very happy that our PM is going there and celebrating this occasion there.
Yes.
This brings us a sense of pride, and let me offer my humble pranams to the holy feet of Bhagavan Sri Ram.
Thank you so much for joining us, Rahul Ishwar, and the symbolic meaning of it, of course, showing the connection between Lord Ram as well as Surya Bhagwan. So this was a very, very important moment, very significant religiously as well, as viewers across the country are watching. But with that, let's also get you visuals